Who were you flirting with?
I swung Mom, and I played with the deal.
Who was it?
With the babies, Mom.
With the baby's mom? What were you doing?
Playing a sheep.
Were you flirting?
Yeah.
You were.
And playing, singing to me.
Oh, you were showing off?
Yep, Mama.
Uh-oh.
I did, Mama.
How come you played with her? There was other kids you could have played with.
No, I'm going with the deal.
You want to play with the girl?
Yeah, because you don't like
Because what?
Because I don't like deals.
Because you don't like girls?
No. No, like not boys.
Oh, you like girls instead?
Yeah.
You can play with boys too, though.
No.
What's so fun about girls?
Dad.
Good? What's so good about girls?
Dad.
Do you like to play with mommy too?
Nope.
And grandma?
Nope.
What about your sister?
Nope. I always do.
Mm-hmm.
Done? Is my video done?
I'm still taping. Is there anything you'd like to say?
Yeah.
What?
Why did you do down and open that and paint them again? And it stopped.
Mm-hmm.
And FM.
Do you have any stories to tell?
Can we have any vitamins?
You already had vitamins today.
Can I have some?
Say bye, people.
Bumblebee
People.
people.